Hello, my name is Alexandra Pavlak, and I'm just gonna show you briefly my programming for project. So we're just gonna log into the Amazon Web Services. We're gonna go to recent visit services. I have two instances, but only one is running. So on the running one, I have my project there. So we're just gonna go here, connect to it, and get the password, choice file, have it saved in the downloads here. We're just gonna open it, script the password, and copy that in here, download. So when this one is finished downloading, we just click on it, connect, put the password what we just copy, paste it, and we are connected. So there you go. Uh, the first thing what I'm gonna show is briefly talking about the whole project. So and that's my project here. And the project is basically storing the customer details and the product details that they bought or they are in transfer of buying it. So, for example, I'm just gonna show here we have the database in here. Uh, make sure that. So as you can see, we have 4 documents, which means we have like 4 customers created right now. So whenever I change anything here, it's gonna change on the on here. So we're gonna just, for example, Carrie, and we just gonna add, for example, island here. So before we refresh this page and before we update, we're just gonna see here. It's Dublin, but there is nothing at the end, island, nothing like that. So we're just gonna go back here. We're gonna update it. And now we're gonna go back and refresh. So we refresh this one, and as you can see, island has been added into the data. So right now we're just gonna go back here, and we're just gonna create a new customer. So we're gonna call new customer just David, I guess. We're just gonna say he bought TV. I don't know, anything, just to test if it's working. Then we choose the plan if it's 12 months or it's 24 months. So we're just gonna pick 24. And in here, we're just gonna put any details. Just put it, and we're gonna put here Dublin. Just gonna gmail.com, and we're gonna just put some and status paid. So before I create this contact, as you can see in here, we have only 4 contacts. So basically, when I'm adding this contact, this new contact here, it should store in here, and then the contact, the first name, so in this case this one here, and the product name, microwave. Sorry, I just click on it and it's refresh the whole thing. So just quickly I'm just gonna put and anything and carry then the. So basically, this baby is gonna show down under this one here, and it's gonna show that he bought a TV. So it's gonna be David and then the TV. So we're just gonna create it here, and here we're gonna refresh. As you can see, this one is added in here. So we're just gonna check this one has been added here. So whenever as well, if we want to change on this one, just update and going back. So just refresh it. And there you go. The customer has been stored. So the next step is I'm gonna show you the code in Visual Code, and we're just gonna go first to context detail component HTML. So this here, it's whatever it's displaying on the right hand side of the application. So as you can see, there is like full name, product name, billing plan, product details. So we're just gonna go back to the application. As you can see, they're exactly the same. It's full name, product name, billing plan, product details. So whenever I change this one, anything that change here, or I add another piece of like a div with a label and input, it's gonna update and it's gonna be added to this side of the application. So at the very bottom, we have here button class primary, that's Bootstrap, and then we have like click. So that's for creating, that's for updating, and that's for delete. So going to the contact list component HTML, this part is showing on the left hand side of the application. So as you can see, that's this part was shown here. So we have a contact name dash contact product name in here. So as you can see, that's contact name and that's product name. So whenever if I for example delete this one and if I delete this one and I save it, push to Heroku master, and this time the product is not gonna be shown because only we're gonna be looking for the contact name there. So going next step is index HTML. Index HTML, we have Bootstrap here. So if we have like here I use Bootstrap in here to make sure that the that the application is working on different sides of the screens. So I'm just gonna show that quickly. So we have application in PC, then we change, shrink it a bit, that's tablet. Then when we shrink it more, and you have like mobile view and stuff like that. So it's really handy to use Bootstrap within your application because it just gives you the professional look of your application. So the next thing, I'm just gonna go here. That's export class. So for example, if I want to if I want about the phone is in the numeric, I change it. I change the string to anything else. We have as well style in here. Styles are used to make sure to change, like for example, color. I have changed it here to red. So within style, within go inspect element. So in this case, this labels here, I have a group of phone group. So I have given them red color, as you can see. So whenever you want change or style more your application, you can go and look for the class. And when you go and find the class, and then you can actually be able to change anything in it, colors, or like in this case padding, background color, border, so it just looks more professional. So that's it. Thank you so much.